These people who come in, can any of them say Chikora?
Some can, some can't. Some say Chakarua.
Chakarua?
Mm-hmm. Sounds like a cookie.
It does sound like you ought to make a Scandinavian Chakarua.
Gosh, only one? I can only name one? I love baking, I always have. I love seeing people come in. Geez, Betty, we're so glad you're still here. You know, it's nice. Even when I don't know them and they come in and they'll say, oh, this reminds me of Sweden. Late spring, early summer, there'll be tables out on the porch and people will sit out there and have coffee for hours. Every Saturday from 12 to 1, I do what we call fika. It's a Swedish word for tea break, coffee break. They still do it in Sweden today. I figured, you know, I want to give back to everybody that has really supported me, whether I knew them or not. Because I always tell people that you came in as a stranger. You came in as a stranger. You're going to leave as a friend. I already knew you, Dan.